Tired of watching your fuel gauge drop faster than your wallet can handle? You might be wasting gas without even realizing it. The truth is, small overlooked issues in your car can quietly eat away at your fuel economy. But don't worry. Today, we're uncovering 10 hidden reasons why your car is burning extra fuel and, more importantly, how to fix them without breaking the bank. Stay tuned, because some of these tips could save you hundreds of dollars over time. Let's dive in. 1. Dirty or clogged air filter. Imagine trying to breathe through a dusty mask. It's tough, right? Well, that's exactly what happens when your car's air filter is clogged. Your engine needs clean air to burn fuel efficiently, but a dirty filter makes it struggle. When less air gets in, the engine compensates by using more fuel, and that means fewer miles per gallon for you. The good news? You don't always have to replace it. Try tapping it gently to knock off loose dirt, or use compressed air to clean it. If it's really dirty, replacing it is a cheap and easy fix that can instantly improve fuel efficiency. A clean filter helps your engine breathe better, meaning more power and better mileage for you. 2. Faulty oxygen sensor. This tiny sensor has a huge impact on your fuel efficiency. It tells your engine how much fuel to use, but if it's not working right, your car could burn more gas than it needs. Over time, these sensors can get covered in carbon buildup, throwing off your fuel mixture. A common sign of a bad oxygen sensor is a drop in mileage and a check engine light. Before replacing it, try a fuel system cleaner. It might clear up small sensor issues and restore its accuracy. And if your check engine light is on, getting a quick diagnostic scan can save you money before it turns into a bigger problem. 3. Excessive idling. Ever leave your car running while waiting for someone? Or maybe you think warming up your car for a long time is necessary? Not anymore. Modern engines don't need extended warm-ups. In fact, idling for more than 30 seconds is just burning fuel for nothing. A running engine still uses gas, even if you're not moving. Instead, start driving gently after a few seconds. It warms up faster and saves gas. Some newer cars even have auto start-stop features to cut fuel waste while waiting at stoplights. If your car has it, use it. It's a simple way to cut fuel costs over time. 4. Bad fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are like tiny spray nozzles that deliver fuel to your engine, but over time, dirt and carbon buildup can clog them. When that happens, your engine burns way more fuel than necessary. You might notice rough idling, hesitation, or even misfires. Before thinking about expensive replacements, try adding a fuel injector cleaner to your gas tank. It helps clear out deposits and restores smooth fuel delivery. Another trick? Every few months, try a higher octane fuel to help clean the system. Simple, right? And if the problem persists, a mechanic can perform a professional injector cleaning to get them working like new again. 5. Malfunctioning thermostat. Your engine runs best at a certain temperature, but if your thermostat is stuck open, your car might stay too cool, forcing it to burn extra fuel just to keep up. A common sign? Your temperature gauge staying too low for a long time after you start driving. But before assuming the worst, check your coolant level. It might just need a top-up. If your engine is taking forever to warm up, it could be a sign that your thermostat is stuck open. Replacing a thermostat isn't too costly, and it can help your car run at its most efficient temperature again. 6. Bad mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF for short, tells your engine how much air is coming in. If it's dirty or faulty, your car burns extra fuel because it doesn't know the right mix. A dirty sensor can cause rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and poor fuel economy. But here's the trick. Before replacing it, try cleaning it. A simple spray with a MAF sensor cleaner can fix the issue and save you hundreds of dollars. If your car has been feeling sluggish or using more gas than usual, a quick cleanup might be all it needs. 7. Worn-out spark plugs. Your spark plugs ignite the fuel in your engine, but when they wear out, they cause misfires, rough running, and poor fuel economy. If your car hesitates or struggles to accelerate, they might need attention. Over time, deposits build up on spark plugs, making them less efficient. The best part? You might not have to replace them just yet. A simple cleaning with a wire brush can restore performance and keep your car running efficiently. But if they're really worn out, replacing them with high-quality ones can improve both fuel economy and engine power. 8. Underinflated tires. Imagine trying to ride a bike with soft tires. It's exhausting. Well, your car feels the same way when your tires aren't properly inflated. Low tire pressure makes your engine work harder and burns more fuel. The best part? Fixing it is free. Just check your tire pressure at a gas station or with a simple gauge at home and top it up to the recommended level. Properly inflated tires reduce rolling resistance, which means better mileage and safer handling. This is one of the easiest ways to save money at the pump. 9. Aggressive driving. We all love a little speed now and then, but hard acceleration and sudden stops waste fuel like crazy. Every time you floor the gas pedal, your engine dumps extra fuel into the cylinders. And sudden braking? It wastes all that momentum. Instead, drive smoothly. Gradual acceleration and gentle braking can boost fuel efficiency by up to 30%. Plus, your car will last longer and be safer to drive. If you want to save gas, pretend there's a cup of coffee on your dashboard and try not to spill it. 10. Using the wrong motor oil. Did you know the type of oil you use can affect your fuel efficiency? If it's too thick, it creates more friction, forcing your engine to work harder and burn extra fuel. You don't have to change it immediately, but at your next oil change, make sure to use the correct oil grade. Your owner's manual has the answer. Using the right oil ensures your engine runs smoothly and doesn't waste fuel due to unnecessary resistance. And that's it. 10 sneaky reasons your car is burning more fuel than it should. The best part? Most of these don't require expensive repairs, just smart maintenance and small changes. Which one are you going to check first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving car tips. See you in the next one.